We'll be reviewing the Champion 41532 7,000 watt running generator. It's about 29.2 amps. It has a 9,000 watt surge for your electric motors and such. This generator is at 74 dBA, so it's pretty loud. I mean, all generators are. It's 232 pounds and comes with a 2-year warranty. A 6-gallon fuel tank up here on top to run at 8 hours at 50% load. Has a nice little fuel gauge there. The side here has the handles. Pull that up, nice cushion grip, and then just let it go down. It'll stay in the off position, the down position. On the side here we have 10-inch never run flat wheels. We got the muffler there on the side, spark plug right up top, and we have the choke right over here. So when the engine's cold, you put that on choke, and it will after the engine warms up a couple seconds later, it'll go back to the run position. On this side here we have the air filter assembly to the left, and the 439cc overhead valve engine. And it also has the pull start as well as electric start. The fuel shutoff valve is right over here. It's in the on position. That's the off position. Now to the front panel here. The battery here is on the bottom towards the right. It does get charged while the engine is running. They do not supply you with a charger. If you plan on storing the generator for several months, you want to buy yourself a trickle charger to keep it maintained. Otherwise, if your battery's dead, you can always pull start it, which isn't too difficult to do. Generator here also comes with a nice handy remote that you can use to start it from inside your house. That little guy here has an on, start, and off button. I'll show you how to use that later. So the control panel here has a 120 volt twist and lock 30 amp outlet, 120 240 volt twist and lock outlet that you would use for backfeeding your panel on your home. You can check out my other video showing how to do that. And you got 220 volt outlets for your general purpose plug-in, with the 220 amp circuit breakers up top, a 30 amp for the right, 30 amp for the left. This is the off, on, and the start button up top. So if you want to start it with the remote, you have to leave it in the middle on position. If you push the top, it'll start it manually here. Battery you want to make sure is in the on position. It has a nice little gauge here. It'll show you the volts being outputted, the hertz, and the hour meter. It doesn't show you that until you start it, so we'll go ahead and give it a start. And I have a 10 amp drill here that we're going to plug in and test it with. I will use the remote to start it. So we'll make sure the fuel shutoff is in the on position. That's in the on position. Okay, so now we hit the button. And we'll see how far the remote will reach the signal, the remote signal. We're going to walk out here on the driveway and try turning it off. So I'd say I'm about 100 feet away here, so you can kind of hear how it sounds at about 100 feet. So let's hit the button here. That's not bad. Now again, that's out in the open, so I don't know exactly how it would be inside. I'm assuming if it would go through a couple of walls. So and that's about it. And make sure you check out the video of this generator powering up a whole house. And hope you enjoyed. Thank you.